Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your night light mode in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to on your light night, so as you can on. And guys, now let's see how to on it in Motorola phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So friends, first of all open your phone setting, then guys scroll display, night light, tap here. As you can see, turn on now. So we will on from here, and guys you can adjust from here guys your night light. So your night light will on in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to on night light in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.